Planning a date night but don't want to spend hours in the kitchen? Looking for easy ways to have quality time with your partner without breaking the bank or burning the food? Need a quick, healthy, and tasty recipe that actually works after a long day? You're in the right place. Welcome back to English Fluency Fuel, the channel that helps you learn real everyday English through fun stories and useful conversations. In today's episode, you'll meet Pam and Leo, a super busy couple with zero energy but a big appetite and a craving for something healthy. They're tired, they're hungry, and they've only got 30 minutes. Will they pull off a dinner worth remembering or end up ordering pizza again? Along the way, you'll learn common English phrases, fun slang, and simple words that you can use in your daily life. So, grab a snack, get comfy, and let's dive into today's story. Quick and Healthy, Pam and Leo's Kitchen Adventure.
I'm running on fumes today.
Running on fumes?
Yeah, it means I'm super tired, like a car almost out of gas.
That's me too. We make a great team. Two zombies in the kitchen.
Yup. So, what's the plan for dinner? I can't spend an hour cooking.
Same here. I had back-to-back meetings, and the commute was a nightmare.
Back to back?
Oh, that means meetings one after the other. No breaks in between. Just zoom, zoom, zoom.
Got it. So, what can we cook that's quick and healthy?
Something that doesn't need much chopping. I'm too tired to even hold a knife.
Same. Let's open the fridge and see what we've got.
Okay, we've got eggs, spinach, cherry tomatoes, canned beans, tortillas, and some leftover chicken.
Perfect. We could make spinach and egg wraps. Add the beans and tomatoes. Boom! Healthy and done in 15 minutes.
You're a genius. What about sauce?
We still have Greek yogurt. Let's mix it with lemon juice, garlic, and a bit of salt.
Nice. That'll give it a little zing.
Zing?
Yeah, it means a little extra flavor or energy, like a little kick in your mouth.
Sounds spicy. I like zing.
Let's call these Pam's Power Wraps.
Aw, I like the sound of that. You know, it's kind of fun cooking with you.
I know, right? It's our little quality time.
Quality time?
Yeah, it means meaningful time with someone you care about. Not just watching TV together, but doing something together.
Aw, you're getting all sappy on me.
Can't help it. You bring out the chef in me.
Chef Leo, at your service.
Wraps are almost ready. Want to heat the tortillas?
On it. 2 minutes in the pan. No oil needed.
And I'll mix the yogurt sauce. Boom! We're crushing it.
Crushing it?
It means we're doing great, like totally winning at life.
Look at us, tired, hungry, and crushing it in the kitchen. This is actually amazing.
Yeah, and we didn't even need a recipe, just teamwork.
I feel good eating this. No guilt.
For real, fast food doesn't always mean junk food.
I'm gonna make this again for lunch tomorrow.
Me too. High five to healthy habits.
High five.
So, next week, smoothies.
Deal. But only if you do the dishes today.
Ugh, can't we flip a coin?
Nope. You're on dish duty, buddy.
Let's check your understanding of the story. Here are 4 questions. Choose the best answer, then I'll tell you the correct one and explain it. 1. Why were Pam and Leo so tired? A. They didn't sleep well. B. They had long and busy workdays. C. They went to the gym. D. They were out with friends. Correct answer is B. They had long and busy workdays. Pam worked a 12-hour hospital shift, and Leo had many meetings and a long commute. 2. What does crushing it mean in the story? A. Breaking things. B. Making a mess. C. Doing something very well. D. Cooking slowly. Correct answer is C. Doing something very well. Leo said, "We're crushing it," to show they were doing a great job cooking. 3. What did Pam and Leo cook for dinner? A. Chicken noodle soup. B. Spinach and egg wraps with yogurt sauce. C. Pasta with tomato sauce. D. Fried rice with vegetables. Correct answer is B. Spinach and egg wraps with yogurt sauce. They used eggs, spinach, beans, and Greek yogurt to make healthy wraps. 4. What does quality time mean? A. Expensive time. B. Time spent working. C. Time spent with good food. D. Special time spent with loved ones. Correct answer is D. Special time spent with loved ones. Quality time means doing something meaningful with someone you care about. Pam and Leo were super tired after work, but they still made time to cook something quick and healthy together. With just a few ingredients and a little teamwork, they had a tasty dinner and fun in the kitchen. The lesson? You don't need hours to cook well. Even simple meals can be healthy and fun, especially when shared with someone you love. And remember, learning English works the same way. A little every day makes a big difference. Thanks for watching English Fluency Fuel. We hope you enjoyed Pam and Leo's kitchen adventure. Leave a comment and tell us, what's your favorite quick and healthy meal? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a story. Keep smiling, keep cooking, and keep learning English with us. See you in the next video. Bye for now.